Washington, D.C. The Lincoln Memorial, the monuments, the weight of history. And you're still stuck reading a plaque guide already rushed past. Group tours rush you past the Vietnam Veterans Memorial in 5 minutes, then herd you back onto the bus before the story even lands. Uvamai's Washington, D.C. self-guided audio tour puts the Capitol stories directly in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to you. Press play and explore at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Stand where Martin Luther King Jr. dreamed aloud at the Lincoln Memorial. Trace the 23-year scandal behind the Washington Monument. Walk the reflective black granite of the Vietnam Veterans Memorial. Wander 70 chapels inside the Basilica of the National Shrine. Uncover classified wartime secrets hidden beneath Union Station, all in one tour, all on your own time. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Washington, D.C., not just photograph it. Get your Washington, D.C. self-guided audio tour today. Just $6. Your link, your city, your story at uvamai.com.